Welcome to our exploration of evolutionary algorithms in biological research. Today, we'll uncover how these computational methods, inspired by natural selection, are revolutionizing the way scientists solve complex biological problems. From genetics to ecology, evolutionary algorithms mimic the process of evolution to find optimal solutions. As we journey through this topic, you'll see how computer science and biology intersect, leading to innovative discoveries and new research frontiers. Let's begin by understanding the basics of evolutionary algorithms and why they are so powerful in tackling biological challenges. Evolutionary algorithms are a family of optimization techniques inspired by the principles of natural evolution. They use mechanisms such as selection, mutation, and crossover to evolve solutions to problems over generations. In biology, these algorithms help researchers simulate and analyze evolutionary processes, offering insights that traditional methods might miss. By iteratively improving candidate solutions, evolutionary algorithms can tackle highly complex and dynamic biological systems, making them invaluable tools in modern research. Core idea behind evolutionary algorithms is natural selection, the process by which organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and reproduce. In computational terms, this means selecting the best solutions from a population and allowing them to reproduce through algorithmic operations. This approach enables the algorithm to gradually improve its solutions, much like how species evolve over time. By drawing inspiration from nature, researchers can solve problems that are otherwise too complex for traditional methods. Evolutionary algorithms consist of several key components: population of candidate solutions, a fitness function to evaluate them, and genetic operators like selection, crossover, and mutation. The process begins with a randomly generated population. Each candidate is evaluated and the best performing ones are selected to create the next generation. Through crossover, solutions combine their features, while mutation introduces random changes. This cycle repeats, gradually evolving better solutions. First step in an evolutionary algorithm is initializing a population of candidate solutions. In biological research, these candidates might represent genetic sequences, ecological strategies, or protein structures. By starting with diverse possibilities, the algorithm ensures a broad search space, increasing the chances of finding optimal or novel solutions. This diversity is crucial for the success of the evolutionary process, just as genetic diversity is vital in nature. Once the population is initialized, each candidate solution is evaluated using a fitness function. In biological research, the fitness function might measure how well a genetic sequence performs a specific task or how effectively a protein folds. This evaluation guides the selection process, ensuring that only the best solutions are carried forward. The fitness function is tailored to the specific research question, making it a critical component of the algorithm. Selection is the process of choosing the best performing candidates to create the next generation. Various selection methods exist, such as tournament selection or roulette wheel selection. In biological research, these mechanisms help simulate natural evolutionary pressures, ensuring that advantageous traits are more likely to be passed on. By carefully designing the selection process, researchers can guide the algorithm toward more promising solutions. Crossover, also known as recombination, is a genetic operator that combines features from two parent solutions to create offspring. This process mimics sexual reproduction in nature, where offspring inherit traits from both parents. In evolutionary algorithms, crossover introduces new combinations of features, promoting diversity and potentially leading to better solutions. This mechanism is especially useful in biological research for exploring a wide range of possibility. Mutation is another key operator in evolutionary algorithms. It introduces random changes to candidate solutions, simulating genetic mutations in nature. These small alterations help maintain diversity within the population and prevent premature convergence on suboptimal solutions. In biological research, mutation allows the algorithm to explore new areas of the solution space, increasing the likelihood of discovering innovative answers. Every evolutionary algorithm needs a stopping point, known as the termination criteria. This could be a set number of generations, a target fitness level, or a lack of improvement over time. In biological research, setting appropriate termination criteria ensures that the algorithm doesn't run indefinitely and that the solutions found are both practical and relevant. This step marks the end of the evolutionary process and the beginning of analysis. One of the most prominent uses of evolutionary algorithms in biology is in genetics. Researchers use these algorithms to simulate genetic evolution, optimize gene sequences, and study inheritance patterns. By modeling genetic processes computationally, scientists can test hypotheses, predict outcomes, and design experiments more efficiently. This approach has accelerated discoveries in fields like genomics and personalized medicine. Predicting protein structures is a complex challenge in biology. Evolutionary algorithms help researchers explore the vast space of possible protein conformations, searching for the most stable and functional structures. By simulating the evolutionary process, these algorithms can identify protein shapes that are likely to occur in nature, aiding in drug discovery and understanding disease mechanisms. Evolutionary algorithms are also used in ecological modeling. Scientists simulate the evolution of populations, species interactions, and ecosystem dynamics. These models help predict how ecosystems respond to environmental changes, such as climate shifts or habitat loss. By incorporating evolutionary principles, researchers gain deeper insights into the resilience and adaptability of natural systems. Drug discovery, evolutionary algorithms are used to optimize molecular structures and identify promising drug candidates. By simulating the process of natural selection, these algorithms can efficiently search through millions of possible compounds, selecting those with the highest potential for effectiveness and safety. This accelerates the drug development process and increases the chances of finding successful treatment. Evolutionary algorithms are not limited to biological molecules. In evolutionary robotics, researchers use these algorithms to design and optimize robotic systems that mimic biological behaviors. By evolving robot controllers and structures, scientists can create machines that adapt to their environments, learn new tasks, and even exhibit lifelike movement. This interdisciplinary field bridges biology, engineering, and computer science. Emulating evolution allows researchers to test theories about how species adapt and diversify. Evolutionary algorithms provide a flexible framework for modeling these processes, enabling scientists to explore scenarios that would be impossible or unethical to study in real life. Through simulation, researchers can investigate the effects of mutation rates, selection pressures, and environmental changes on evolutionary outcomes. Designing biological experiments can be challenging, especially when dealing with complex systems. Evolutionary algorithms help optimize experimental parameters such as sample sizes, treatment combinations, and measurement schedules. By automating the search for optimal designs, researchers can save time, reduce costs, and improve the reliability of their results. This approach is particularly valuable in large-scale or high-throughput studies. Evolutionary game theory combines principles from biology and mathematics to study strategic interactions among individuals. Evolutionary algorithms are used to simulate and analyze these interactions, revealing how cooperation, competition, and social behaviors evolve over time. This field has applications in ecology, economics, and even human behavior, providing insights into the dynamics of complex systems. Phylogenetics is the study of evolutionary relationships among species. Evolutionary algorithms assist in constructing phylogenetic trees, which depict how species are related through common ancestry. By optimizing tree structures based on genetic data, these algorithms help scientists unravel the history of life on Earth, tracing the origins and diversification of species across time. Understanding how diseases spread through populations is crucial for public health. Evolutionary algorithms are used to model the transmission dynamics of infectious diseases, taking into account factors like mutation, immunity, and social behavior. These models inform strategies for disease control and prevention, helping policymakers make evidence-based decisions during outbreaks. Synthetic biology, evolutionary algorithms are used to design and optimize biological systems, such as engineered microbes or synthetic gene circuits. By simulating evolution, researchers can identify designs that perform desired functions efficiently and robustly. This accelerates the development of new biotechnologies, from biofuels to pharmaceuticals, and expands the possibilities of what can be achieved with living systems. Ecologists use evolutionary algorithms to model population dynamics, species interactions, and ecosystem responses to environmental changes. These models help predict the impact of factors like climate change, habitat loss, and invasive species. By incorporating evolutionary principles, ecologists gain a deeper understanding of how ecosystems adapt and persist over time. Genetic programming is a type of evolutionary algorithm where computer programs are evolved to solve specific tasks. In biological research, genetic programming can be used to model complex processes, analyze data, and even generate hypotheses. By evolving programs rather than fixed solutions, researchers can tackle problems that require adaptability and creativity. Any biological problems involve balancing multiple objectives, such as maximizing growth while minimizing resource use. Evolutionary algorithms excel at multi-objective optimization, allowing researchers to explore trade-offs and identify optimal solutions. This capability is especially valuable in fields like agriculture, conservation, and systems biology, where competing goals must be considered. Modern biological research generates massive amounts of data, from genomic sequences to ecological observations. Evolutionary algorithms are well suited for analyzing large datasets as they can efficiently search through vast solution spaces. By leveraging computational power, researchers can uncover patterns, make predictions, and generate new insights from complex biological data. Evolutionary algorithms are often combined with machine learning techniques to enhance their performance. For example, they can be used to optimize neural network architectures or select features for predictive models. In biological research, this integration enables more accurate predictions, better data analysis, and the discovery of hidden relationships within complex systems. Despite their power, evolutionary algorithms face several challenges. These include maintaining diversity, avoiding premature convergence, and handling noisy or incomplete data. Researchers continually develop new strategies to address these issues, such as adaptive mutation rates or hybrid approaches. Overcoming these challenges is essential for maximizing the potential of evolutionary algorithms in biology. Compelling example of evolutionary algorithms in action is the study of antibiotic resistance. Researchers use these algorithms to model how bacteria evolve resistance to drugs, predicting which genetic mutations are most likely to occur. This information helps guide the development of new antibiotics and strategies to combat resistance, addressing a critical public health challenge. In agriculture, evolutionary algorithms are used to optimize crop traits such as yield, disease resistance, and drought tolerance. By simulating the breeding process, researchers can identify the best combinations of genes for desired traits. This accelerates crop improvement programs and helps ensure food security in the face of changing environmental conditions. Conservation biologists use evolutionary algorithms to design protected areas and manage wildlife populations. These algorithms help balance competing objectives, such as maximizing biodiversity while minimizing costs. By simulating different management strategies, researchers can make informed decisions that promote the long-term survival of endangered species and ecosystems. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup. Evolutionary algorithms assist in analyzing genetic data, identifying biomarkers, and optimizing treatment plans. By considering the unique characteristics of each patient, these algorithms contribute to more effective and targeted therapies, improving health outcomes. Microbial communities, such as those in the human gut, are incredibly complex. Evolutionary algorithms help researchers model the interactions among different microbial species, predict community dynamics, and design interventions to promote health. This approach is advancing our understanding of the microbiome and its role in disease and wellness. Studying the evolution of viruses is essential for predicting outbreaks and developing vaccines. Evolutionary algorithms simulate viral evolution, helping researchers understand how viruses adapt to hosts and evade immune responses. These insights inform public health strategies and the design of more effective vaccines. Computational neuroscience, evolutionary algorithms are used to evolve artificial neural networks that mimic brain function. By optimizing network structures and learning rules, researchers can model cognitive processes, study brain disorders, and develop new approaches to artificial intelligence. This synergy between biology and computation is driving advances in both fields. Evolutionary algorithms are even used in creative fields like art and design. By evolving visual patterns, shapes, or sounds, artists and scientists explore the intersection of biology, computation, and creativity. This approach demonstrates the versatility of evolutionary algorithms and their potential to inspire innovation across disciplines. Future of evolutionary algorithms in biology is bright. As computational power increases and algorithms become more sophisticated, researchers will tackle even more complex problems. Emerging areas include synthetic life, evolutionary computation in space biology, and the integration of real-time data from sensors and experiments. These advances promise to deepen our understanding of life and open new avenues for discovery. With great power comes great responsibility. The use of evolutionary algorithms in biology raises important ethical questions, such as the potential for unintended consequences, data privacy, and the responsible use of biotechnology. Researchers must carefully consider these issues, ensuring that their work benefits society while minimizing risks. Success of evolutionary algorithms in biology depends on collaboration between biologists, computer scientists, mathematicians, and engineers. By working together, these experts can develop more effective algorithms, share insights, and tackle challenges from multiple perspectives. Interdisciplinary teams are at the forefront of innovation in this rapidly evolving field. A wealth of open-source tools and resources are available for researchers interested in evolutionary algorithms. These include software libraries, datasets, and online communities where scientists can share code, collaborate, and learn from each other. Open science accelerates progress and democratizes access to cutting-edge methods. As evolutionary algorithms become more widely used in biology, education and training are essential. Universities and research institutions are developing courses and workshops to teach students the principles and applications of these algorithms. By building expertise in this area, the next generation of scientists will be well equipped to drive future discoveries. Engaging the public in scientific research is more important than ever. By communicating the benefits and challenges of evolutionary algorithms in biology, scientists can foster understanding and support for their work. Public engagement also encourages ethical reflection and ensures that research aligns with societal values. Funding is a critical factor in advancing research on evolutionary algorithms in biology. Support from governments, foundations, and industry enables scientists to pursue ambitious projects, develop new technologies, and translate discoveries into real-world applications. Sustained investment is essential for maintaining momentum in this dynamic field. Biological challenges are global in nature, from pandemics to climate change. International collaboration is vital for sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. By working together across borders, researchers can accelerate progress and address the world's most pressing problems using evolutionary algorithms. Sum up, evolutionary algorithms are transforming biological research by providing powerful tools for optimization, simulation, and discovery. Their applications span genetics, ecology, medicine, and beyond. By embracing interdisciplinary collaboration, ethical responsibility, and public engagement, the scientific community can harness the full potential of these algorithms to advance our understanding of life. As we look to the future, evolutionary algorithms will continue to play a pivotal role in biology. With ongoing advances in computation, data analysis, and interdisciplinary research, the possibilities are endless. By staying curious, collaborative, and responsible, scientists can unlock new insights and drive innovation for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of evolutionary algorithms in biological research.